Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we are playing in a lace wig courtesy of RPG Show. Now you guys know they come with excellent packaging. The wig comes in this cool sleeve and they also gave wig caps and a couple of other items. This here is a Laid by Tima lace wig and it's in the color brown ombre with a middle part. Super gorgeous with this wavy texture. As you guys can see, there's so much bounce. Everything about it is absolutely perfect. The knots are bleached, as you guys can see here. The length is 20 inches. The texture is silky, and I also opted for cap B, which is a lace front wig, and then also a size 1 cap. So they do have different size cap construction. So if you want like a lace front, a lace closure, full lace wig, you have those options. Also, this wig does come in a few other color options as well. So far, I'm feeling the color combo. I love the fact that this one comes with Swiss lace. It's pretty much like tinted transparent Swiss lace, so it fits and matches my skin complexion perfect. Also, I'm going to go ahead and customize the lace around the ears. This is extremely important so that the wig fits flat, flush, and flawless. Also, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace around the hairline. Now, normally I would go in and pluck the hairline out, beforehand, but you will see in just a moment, it is definitely pre-plucked. The hairline may look a little bit more on the full side at the moment, but once you bond it down, you press it out, you style it, you're going to see how flawless this hairline looks. So looks can definitely be deceiving. So whenever you're going to go ahead and customize the hairline, be sure to either like wet it or maybe like press it with a hot comb just so you can see really what's there. Sometimes it's nice and fluffy, so it looks like you need to do more, and then you do more, and then you over pluck. So just know your wig before you do any extra steps. I'm going to use a non-glue adhesive, and of course everything I use is listed in the description box. Here I just go ahead and apply a nice thick coat. I use kind of a rag to make sure that it doesn't run down my face. I apply the lace wig on top, and any excess adhesive I go ahead and wipe while it's still wet. If you wait till you bond the wig down, it's going to be tacky, and you're going to see exactly how I clean that up in just a moment. But make sure you get it from ear to ear. Sometimes when you try to bond it down without a blow dryer, as I'm using here, you don't get the same results, especially around the ear tabs. So just, words to the wise, you may want to do this with heat. Now you can see it's bonded down really nicely, but there is a little bit of shine in front of the hairline. That is excess adhesive. So I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol and just rub that off, and it'll disappear instantly. Next up is baby hair. As you start to go ahead and play with the wig after it's bonded down, you'll see very quickly how nice the hairline actually is. You can see once you part out that little baby hair, how beautiful that blends with my complexion. It doesn't look crazy. It doesn't look white, or sometimes transparent lace will look crazy on brown skin. This one is absolutely perfect for me. I am using foam lotion. You guys know I don't mess with edge control as much as I used to. Not saying I'll never go back to it, because I do love edge control, but I do love the range of a mousse / foam lotion and how I'm able to pretty much set my baby hair how I want, and then I can kind of comb it out once it sets, and it'll keep that shape without having to have that gelled to my forehead look. Just more of a nice, airy, soft, look when it's all said and done. And I do chase after I kind of make each of my little swoops for my baby hair. I kind of go in with the scissors and make sure that it's cut perfectly how I like. You don't have to do this. You can cut it all beforehand, but I just like to customize it as I go. And as you guys can see, that hairline is looking amazing. So I am going with baby hair from ear to ear. Typically, I would just do 2 swoops, one above each arch of my eyebrow. But today I wanted a little bit of extra, and it came out so good. Now let's talk about how much I have love and appreciate my electric hot comb. Now I remember the first time I bought one, I was like, this is overrated, it's not doing anything, blah blah. Girl, get you one. You can get one on Amazon for like 15 bucks. Sometimes you can get it for a few dollars cheaper. I know my local beauty supply be having them for like $11-12. You can definitely get one for the low. And as you guys can see, you press out those roots like you would your real hair, and it makes your wig literally it takes it to the next level. Yes, my kids love to be in my video, so there goes my son, my big boy. Now this here is wax. I know that looks crazy, but I just applied a thick layer of it. I was trying to go with minimal product, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You don't want any frizzies, flyaways, none of that. You want it to look like you came out of the salon just right now. So I added a thick, it seemed like thick, it really wasn't a thick coat, it's just that I'm getting to the end of my wax stick, so it just comes up a little bit chunky because it's old. But just add a nice layer of the wax, and then you go in and brush it in and smooth everything out, and then you go in and press out that part again, baby. Everything looks so good. So from here, everything is pretty much done. I'm gonna add a little bit of serum. You can kind of comb out the curls and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and customize my curls. I'm gonna trim everything down, add a few more curls for layers, and you'll see all of that, and then we'll be back for the end result. So now that we're done, I'm absolutely in love with this look. Off camera, I went ahead and beat my face. I'm going to buff a little bit of that foundation powder into the hairline just so that it blends seamlessly with my complexion, and we're good to go. You can comb out the baby hair so they're not like laid down and slicked to the forehead, and that is pretty much it. I definitely did not need to add the layer, but you can see how much body and life it gave to this one. Absolutely love this color. It's super brown girl friendly. I love the silky texture. It's not too much, not too shiny. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully you learned something. If not, stay tuned for more because there's definitely going to be plenty more hair tutorials on my channel. As always, I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. Wig sale is coming up soon, so make sure that you guys are subscribed and your post notifications are turned on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, don't forget to check out RPG Show for the realness. This wig is super beautiful and I'm sure it'll be amazing on you too. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!